What's going on today, everybody? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I know that I am, and we're back on it. It's been a little bit, but we're gonna get back to working on whatever we can. And today is actually working on the wife's Traverse. So she needs some new wiper blades on her car because they're getting pretty bad. They're leaving streaks all over the place. So might as well film it and hopefully help you guys out. These connectors are a little bit different than the old standard connectors. Of course, you gotta monopolize what you can and have your own system, so people have to buy your own things. But luckily, the aftermarket program is pretty good with wiper blades. There's a lot of different options. I've got a couple here that I just picked up. I did no reason. They're just the ones I picked up. So we'll go ahead, we'll install them on our car, and I'll show you how easy it is to install them. Now, one thing I do want to say is before you even head into the store, or maybe you're even at the store, if you're at the store, look at the wiper blades before you even walk in so you have an idea on what the actual connector looks like, because I actually picked some up for this car. Thought it was the older style, picked them up, brought them out, went to put them on, and it's not even the right style. So I learned, and hopefully I can pass that on to you. So check them out before you even go in, if you can even just take it off and walk into the store and compare. But usually they have a little booklet or a little computer or some sort of something that you can look what ones go to your actual car and just match those numbers up, and they should be fine. So I've got those now. I've got new wiper blades, so we'll go ahead and pop them on the car. So here we are, we've got our couple beams, and this one actually has two different sizes on it. So the driver's side is bigger than the passenger side. So the passenger side is a B21-2, and the driver's side is a B24-2. So the 2 is a different style. The 24 is the actual length of the beam, of the actual wiper blade. So this one's bigger than this one by 3 inches, and it has a second, I believe that it has a second style, which is a different style of connector. So if you look at them before you go in, you kind of get an idea on what you're looking for. So we'll go ahead and flip this one up. Now these ones are a different style where they pinch on the back. You pinch them and rotate them out, and then look them off. Just like that. Old one, new one will pop out and get on there. I guess one thing before you go ahead and throw the old one on the ground is check to see if they're the same. Same length, they've got the same connector, one's backwards. This one actually needs to be like this way. They look about the same connectors, so we'll go ahead, and now we're done with this one. You can see that the actual rubber is ripping off. Well, there it goes. It's ripping off, and that's what's causing streaks. They just get old and brittle, and they don't have the flex in them like they used to. So now that we're done with that, we'll throw it on the ground. And we'll put our new one in that just rotates. There's a little hole right there that this goes into, rotates down, and then you gotta pinch and clip them in. Once they're clipped in, you can check. Done. And then we put the wiper blade down. That side's done. In the packaging, you have another different style. They send these with, if you have two different, so they can cover a wider range of stuff, more universal. And then the instructions, but we just went over the instructions, real easy. Now, we'll go ahead and move on to the other side. Look at how bad that wiper blade's getting. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is cracked all the way through, and that's what's causing streaks. There you can see there's pieces that come apart. So here we go, we'll check real quick. They're about the same. Go ahead and pull this one off. Very important part, throw it on the ground. Put your new one on. Just like that, done. Pretty easy stuff, and she'll be able to see again. Now, if you order or buy these actually at the store, like in O'Reilly's and Napa, any of those chains, they will actually install them for free for you. So if you need to, you can have them install it. But if not, you can install them yourself. Now, we need to take care of all of our garbage. So we'll go ahead, throw all this stuff away. Well, there we go. A couple minutes worth of work and it's done. We've actually got new wiper blades on there. Now, added bonus thing that's always good to do is just clean the windshield real quick because it's got gunk and rocks and dirt and all the other stuff that's stuck on there. You want to get that off so the wiper blades last as long as they can. So you might as well not start them out on sandpaper on the windshield and start them out on a nice, fresh, clean surface. So go ahead, go get the window clean, but you don't need to see that. I'm going to get out of here. You guys enjoy your day. I know I'm going to enjoy my day. So take it easy, everyone. Peace. You can do it. Trust me, you can do it. It's not that hard. Peace.